Today, we are walking through one of the most expensive condos in Boston, priced at over $9 million. This ultra-luxury home is seated in the recently finished St. Regis Residences at 150 Seaport Boulevard in the Seaport District. We will walk through this stunning luxury home, discussing what makes this property special, followed by a tour of the building's superb amenity package. Lastly, we will look at the neighborhood in which this premier development is situated. Really quick, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston, and I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city. If you would like to come tour this unit in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, please reach out anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. Now, stepping inside, this home contains 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a den, a private terrace, and 2 valet garage parking spaces. This corner residence has full water views from every room and is spread across 2,500 square feet of carefully designed and meticulously crafted living space. As an owner, you will enjoy the magnificent sunrise views of Boston Harbor throughout, with ample natural light, with the best of the best custom handcrafted hardware, top-of-the-line appliances, and carefully selected fixtures and finishes. This home is an entertainer's dream, with an open-concept living room and kitchen which leads out to an expansive private terrace directly on the harbor, perfect for outdoor dining or hosting guests. Views seen from the kitchen, living room, and terrace include Boston Harbor, the East Boston waterfront, and the Harbor Islands. You will frequently see planes arriving and departing at Logan Airport from the comfort of this residence. The harbor is very active and there are always vessels passing by your line of sight. Priced at $9,199,000, this is the most expensive home currently on the market in Boston Seaport District neighborhood. Condo fees for this unit are $5,780 monthly and include heat, water, gas, hot water, security, maintenance, management, valet, and all amenity spaces. On the 18th floor of the building, this is one of the trophy residences here at the St. Regis with one of the most desired floor plans. For some background, this ultra-luxury development was completed in early 2023 and is one of the last projects to be built on the South Boston waterfront due to zoning restrictions. The building stands at 260 feet, with 22 stories and a total of 114 condo units. Overlooking Boston Harbor, the St. Regis is the tallest condo building in the Seaport and was designed to look like a ship appearing to twist on its axis. Featuring 1 to 4 bedroom homes, the St. Regis Boston is about 50% sold out at the time of this filming. The project was built by Cronin Development and the building was designed by Elkis Manfredi Architects. While the project is associated with the luxury hotel group St. Regis and offers hotel-like services and amenities, the building is residential only with no hotel component. With specially designed floor-to-ceiling windows and engineered wide-plank dark oak floors, this residence delivers a cozy yet modern and functional waterfront living experience. Recessed lighting, Philip Jeffrey wall coverings, and custom window shades throughout add a touch of elegance and convenience. The chef-rated, custom-built gourmet kitchen is perfect for those who do a lot of cooking and contains every tool one would need for hosting dinner parties. Premium appliances in this kitchen include a vented 5-burner Wolf gas cooktop, a built-in Wolf oven and microwave, a tall Sub-Zero refrigerator and wine cooler, as well as dishwashers by Cove, one of the finest models available on the market. Polished countertops are marble with matching backsplashes. Italian soft-close custom cabinets are also present, tying the whole kitchen together to create a sleek, modern look. These cabinets provide plenty of space for those who need extra storage. The kitchen island is of course a great area for prepping and cooking meals, but also offers casual seating for quick meals, coffee, or gathering with friends and family for drinks. The living room also provides plenty of space for more formal dining. The St. Regis is home to a diverse group of residents who are among some of the most distinguished and influential in the city. Residents include company executives, doctors and healthcare professionals, professors, lawyers, and other highly esteemed people. There is a community feeling within the building, and residents frequently gather or go out to events. The primary bedroom features great harbor views with a grand walk-in closet and a door, which leads to a private terrace. Dark oak floors and high ceilings are present in this space, which can easily fit a queen or king-size bed, along with a desk, dresser, or chairs. For additional temperature comfort, there is a smart home thermostat within each bedroom and bathroom. The large, spa-inspired primary bathroom is outfitted with custom fixtures from the Shirley Wagner collection. Radiant heated marble floors and floor-to-ceiling temperature control operated via smart thermostats allow for maximum climate customization. An expansive, frameless walk-in shower and standalone soaking tub are included. The marble, floating dual vanity provides additional storage space. Stepping into the frameless glass walk-in shower, the marble surround adds an additional touch of luxury. There is also an enclosed toilet and a soaking tub designed exclusively for the St. Regis residences. Another impressive feature of this primary bedroom is the massive walk-in closet and a second smaller closet on the other side. There certainly is no shortage of storage space within this home. In the hallway and foyer, you'll see additional closets, and of course the two other bedrooms within the home have their own wardrobes. For those in need of even more space, there is a designated locker room in the building for keeping large items like skis, bikes, or things you may not want to keep in your residence. The St. Regis manages the private residences, delivering the quintessential service and coveted culture for which it is known. A 24-hour security doorman and bellman service ensure a secure and welcoming environment. There is an in-residence dining service from the on-site restaurant Savor that allows residents to enjoy exquisite meals in the comfort of their own homes. Housekeeping, messenger, and pet care services are provided for added convenience. Valet, dry cleaning, and laundry assistance save time and effort for owners. As a resident here, you will get priority reservations and discounts at St. Regis hotels worldwide. A rare offering here is the inclusion of a dedicated butler service available upon request that can take care of everything from running errands to calendar management and event planning. This home includes a den room and a half bathroom in the hallway. The den area can serve several purposes as a home office, a TV, game, or media room, and even an additional bedroom. The home is staged and could be sold with furnishings included if desired. The St. Regis is one of 4 residential developments in the Seaport District, which are right on the harbor. The other buildings include 22 Liberty, 50 Liberty, and Pier 4. These other projects were all completed between 2015 and 2019, and have some of the highest unit appreciation rates in the city of Boston. This is a clear indicator that over time, homes at the St. Regis will greatly grow in value. As mentioned, there are other floor plans available here for sale, ranging from 1 to 4 bedroom layouts with prices between 1.7 all the way to 20+ million for the top penthouse unit, which is currently off market. The average sales price per square foot here is around $2,300, with monthly HOA fees at a little over $2 per square foot. Sales at the St. Regis did start off a little slower than anticipated, as this development was competing for buyers with other ultra-luxury projects like Raffles and One Dalton in the Back Bay, along with Echelon Seaport across the street. However, sales have since picked up and buyers are starting to scoop up units. One of the reasons this building is so unique is that it is the first ever residential-only project from the St. Regis hotel chain. This home features 2 additional bedroom suites with Boston Harbor and Seaport views. These bedrooms have unique, slanted floor-to-ceiling windows which let in abundant natural light. This style of window wall cannot be found in any other Boston condo building. These rooms are spacious and could fit a full or queen-sized bed, as well as a desk, dresser, or chairs. There are also spacious closets as well. One of these rooms could be configured as an office, while the other could act as a guest bedroom. Both additional bedrooms have ensuite baths, which feature radiant heated marble floors, floating vanities, and a shower tub combo in one room, and a walk-in shower in the other. The St. Regis is located in the center of Boston Seaport District at 150 Seaport Boulevard. The Seaport District is one of the most popular places to live right now, being minutes from downtown Boston and right on the harbor. The area is a hotspot among people of all ages and backgrounds for its nightlife, shopping, and dining scenes. In terms of demographics, the Seaport attracts mainly a crowd of young professionals who work in tech, finance, or healthcare. This group is mainly attracted by the new developments and upscale amenities in the neighborhood. 40% of Seaport residents are between the ages of 25 and 34. In addition to young professionals, the Seaport District has also seen a growing number of empty nesters and retirees. 23% of Seaport residents are over the age of 55. given its close proximity to downtown Boston and Cambridge, home to MIT, Harvard, BU, and Northeastern. The Seaport also attracts undergrad and graduate level students who choose to live off campus. There are countless restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions immediately outside the doorstep of the St. Regis. The Seaport is a massive hub for innovation, being home to many startup companies as well as headquarters for several Fortune 500 companies, which continues to draw people in. The St. Regis residences offer access to an array of world-class amenities. Owners can benefit from the exceptional services provided by the St. Regis trained staff, along with direct access to over 12,000 square feet of exclusive amenities. The Grand Lounge overlooking the harbor offers the perfect place to relax or host guests. A full-service bar with several TVs make it an ideal spot to enjoy the company of friends and neighbors. Residents will often gather here to watch sporting events or have food and wine tasting get-togethers. On this same level, there is a library perfect for working from home, reading, or studying. In this space, there is also a boardroom with a catering kitchen. Residents can use this space as a professional backdrop for Zoom meetings or reserve the room, using it as a private office for in-person meetings. For golf enthusiasts, there is a dedicated golf simulator room. This room is equipped with a state-of-the-art golf simulator and features a wet bar, creating a perfect space for practicing swings, improving skills, and enjoying a virtual golf experience. Another highlight is the heated infinity pool overlooking the Boston Harbor, which residents can enjoy year-round. It is complemented by a jacuzzi, steam room, sauna, and a spa. There is also a private yoga and Pilates studio, which provides an ideal space for personal training sessions and practicing these popular forms of exercise. Residents can enjoy tailored fitness experiences and work on their physical well-being without leaving home. A weight room with personal trainers is also available on site. There are 2 residences which can be booked for owners' guests. Pet owners will find convenience in the pet washing and grooming station, which offers all the necessary equipment for keeping their animals clean and well-groomed. Lastly, residents have direct, private access to the on-site restaurant Savor, where they get priority seating reservations. Overall, this is one of my favorite condos in the Seaport District neighborhood. With some of the most high-end features and finishes, this home truly embodies modern luxury waterfront living. The St. Regis branded building is arguably the nicest and most architecturally unique in the Seaport District. With quick access to dozens of high-end shops, restaurants, entertainment, and more, the Seaport District couldn't have been a better spot for this development. Residents have everything they need just steps away. Downtown Boston is just minutes away, driving or walking, allowing residents to quickly get into the heart of the city. Again, if you're looking to make a move in Boston, whether you already live here or are relocating, please message or call me anytime. Offering a white glove, concierge-level service to my clients, I am always available to discuss your real estate needs or concerns. I specialize in luxury condo buildings, such as the one we tour today, however I really do work in all price points. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about the property in the comments below, and stay tuned for more informational videos on Boston real estate, property tours, and building reviews. Thank you.